Hi, I'm Noonies. Today we are at Harbin Park in Fairfield, Ohio, and we're doing the Orange Trail, which is 4.1 miles, 482 feet of elevation gain. My year-to-date trail miles, it's picking up 51.44. So really excited about that. When you get here, I couldn't figure out where to go at first. Let's go this way. So there's a map right up that hill, and it says that in combination with all trails said that the bike trail or the trail, the Orange Trail, is this way. I've heard that it's pretty difficult. It doesn't sound difficult by the description, but even the reviews said it's difficult. So let's give this a try. The only trail I see is behind us here, right there. So that's where we're going to start. I do have all trails pulled up. Heard it's very well marked. So I haven't seen one marking yet. Oh, here's another trail right back there. And it looks like there's one to our right. So we'll figure out where we're going. I'll let you know. I can't spend that much time out. Today is the eve of my youngest daughter's birthday. Her birthday is April 1st. And that's not an April Fool's joke. And we're going dancing. Okay, as soon as I got on this trail, I did stay on the one straight ahead. That's where my gut said to go. I will also probably post a map of this. It's crazy looking, but almost as soon as I get on the trail, I see orange trail markers, and the reviews all said it's pretty well marked. Also went on the Harbin website. Apparently they have disc golf here, which is really fun. Love it. And never played here. Maybe that's something I need to do. And they have pickleball, just so much. Never played pickleball before. It looks like it's a combination of ping pong and tennis. Not good at tennis, good at ping pong. So. This is cool. Still have my cough if I talk too much. Really don't have the tightness in the chest anymore, which is good. This is starting off kind of hilly and pretty. I wanted to start this at my car, but there was some type of celebration going on in a shelter, and I didn't want to bother them. Like a sled. They said they have sled riding here. Not on a day like today, and probably not down here. So, but do need to work on slowly picking up my pace, since I believe I said in the other videos I'm doing the Mammoth March, which is 20 miles in 8 hours. And I looked it up on all trails, and the elevation gain is like I've never done in my life. So, and I know at first I said I just want to finish it. It doesn't have to be in 8 hours. And as long as I finish it, I will be happy. But I changed my goal and do want to do it in 8 hours. So that means work on hiking. So I could have said, okay, I'm moving. I'm going out tonight. I just have stuff to do. Like, nope. Have this big goal. 20 miles in 8 hours. I need to get out after work, before work if possible, before going out, in between, just whatever. So. phone just stopped recording because it said my storage is full. So I need to go back to Verizon because I got this iPhone 15 and Pro or something like that, Max, the middle one. And I was told if I didn't get iCloud, I could get their program with Verizon and I'd have much more storage and would be able to take videos without running out of space. So I'm paying money for something I can't use, so I need to go back to the store next week. Verizon. So here is an orange marker that way. So I just deleted my, there's one that way, my CapCut, my film editing program, and hopefully that will get me through here. So a trail goes that way, but I do not see a trail marker. It goes this way, which isn't it, but I want to see it. Oh, pretty. Oh, it just says mountain bike trail. But what I did see down here was an orange marker. It's absolutely beautiful here, but one thing I wanted to point out is I am wearing a shirt that I got for Christmas, and it says Mimi on it, and there's handprints, just so cute, a smiley face. One of my favorite presents, my favorite shirt. So thank you, kids. Mimi appreciates that. Not sure what to do here. I don't see any marker. So in Nooney's mind here, I say either way is good. Okay, this is what I think happened. I think you can make it long or short. So I think that trail goes up and around and meets up with this one. So I'm pretty sure we are good. Let's see if we can see. Well, not sure. There's trails everywhere here. This is probably the most zigzaggy trail I've been on. It is a typical bike trail, hike bike trail, mountain bike. But it's, I think, my favorite. Usually I don't like trails that you share with bikes. Here's a little crossroads. That sign says Orange Trail, back the way we just came. The website, if I remember correctly, said this is a difficult trail. It's not easy, but I can say it's not the hardest. So the green trail goes to the left, but on the other side it looks like there's two orange markers, and there's an orange marker that goes that way. So it looks like the orange and green connect. Don't know what's down that way, but there's no marker. So maybe we'll come up that way. I really want to go down there though. I'm thinking that might turn around and come up this way. Let's go down a bit and see if we can find an orange marker. But there's not a marker that way either, so my spidey senses are saying we're going this way and see where we end up. Okay, what's this? Looks like we're coming to a road. So orange trail to the right. So it looks like, you know what? I think all of these trails are connected somehow. Okay, so I bet up that hill is where we were. I'd put money on it. So let's go down this hill and see what that orange sign says. I think I'm trying to see from here. I'm wanting it, bug just flew in my mouth. I wanted it to go to the right because that's a ginormous hill, but it goes to the left, and that's okay. So we're going this way. This is cool. I've seen 3 bicyclists and 1 hiker so far. Totally don't know where to go here. The trail goes this way and it goes this way. There's an orange marker there leading you up this way. And I came from the orange marker there, so definitely don't want to go that way. So that means it has to be this way. Oh, I don't think this is the way to go. That's the way we came. We don't want to go back that way because we're almost done. So I'm thinking this has to be it. I came from that direction and I have no idea where to go. I'm going to get on all trails. Oh, it looks like civilization up there and cars. I'm still going this way. It goes around. So I'll let you know if going straight worked or if I had to turn around. I feel like I'm losing my voice. I see cars. I see a shelter. I see a parking lot. Just hope I'm not 5 miles away from my car. So I think I'm over there. When you come out here, be careful where you step. There's some holes. So apparently, according to my Apple Maps, my car is up that way. So with that said, 700-foot elevation gain is what this said. Don't know if that's true, but at least we're still getting a workout, still getting steps, and I'll let you know when we wrap this up. Just finished the hike, no makeup on, feels kind of weird, so got to get used to it. Going out tonight, gonna curl my hair and do my makeup, maybe take a hot bubble bath when I get home after I go to the store. But just wanted to recap and tell you a bit about the trail and why I sit in my car. There's more privacy. There are people around me everywhere, and I just don't feel comfortable yet. But right now there's a man in front of me and he keeps looking over, probably like, what are you doing? Who are you talking to? So that's really okay. I'll probably never see him again. No, I do want to come back here. I know I was saying at one point that I wasn't sure if I did. This is the type of trail I need right now. Lots of ups and downs, not that long. I think this is a good training trail. I would recommend it. If you don't have a lot of time and you need to get a good workout in, this is it. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please hit like. If you want to see more, please subscribe to Adventures with Noonies. Thanks and have an awesome day.